What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a haul video. So I am not only showing you my Grove Collaborative haul and the things that I just got from Grove Collaborative, but I'm also going to be doing a Target haul. Excuse me, I am still trying to get over my cold a little bit, but I feel amazing, and all of your guys' warm wishes and messages on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube have been amazing, so thank you so much. They always make me feel really good, and just knowing that you guys care. So I am going to have a couple different videos this week. I am going to be having a cleaning video come out, of course, and then also our like day in a life Vegas trip, or just me and Shanam's, basically our Vegas vlog. So stay tuned for that, and if you're not subscribed, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that fun stuff. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and jump into the Grove box. So the first thing that I got, and I get this every time I put an order in for Grove, and I usually get a Grove order pretty much every single month, is the paper towels by 7th Generation. They're 100% recycled paper towels. They're strong and absorbent, and then they're whitened without chlorine bleach. So I've been using these. They're amazing. I have nothing but positive, like my opinions are all positive about them, and we continue to use them in our household. Okay, so the next thing I did have to open up, and that is this extra strong tall kitchen flat tie bags. So this is by 7th Generation. I always get my garbage bags from them also, but this time I accidentally bought the wrong ones. I bought kitchen flat. So I had to pick up some more of these full circle cellulose sponge cloths. So they're durable, reusable, reduce paper towel waste, tackle spills, dishes, household cleaning. So I absolutely love these. They do come in a pack of 3, so you don't like cross-contaminate. There's blue, yellow, and green. So you guys sometimes see me using these for my stove, my glass top stove, and they're just very durable and like strong, and like all you have to do is wet them, and like their power and their strength when scrubbing without scratching is amazing. So I always get these. I went ahead and got these small garbage bag drawstring bags. There's 30 bags, 4 a gallon. They're just recycled plastic by Green and Pack. So I'm going to give these a try. I haven't ever tried these, so I can't say too much about them, but I'm testing them out for you guys. And if you're interested in any of these products, you guys know that I always keep the Grove link in my description box because I absolutely love that company. And you can check out any of their products and kind of what their subscription is all about and stuff like that if you're new. The next thing I got is this Grove Collaborative brand Walmart, Grove Walnut Scouring Pads. So this is a pack of 3, and I do get these every few months. They last pretty long and everything, so I think I've only got, this is like the 3rd time I'm buying them, and I've been a member for, you know, probably about 9 to 10 months. So this is like the 3rd time I've bought these. They last really long, and I just end up throwing them out when they just get too grimy. They are also made from walnut shells and recycled fiber. So I really like these. So another new product that I am trying out today, and I haven't tried it out yet, but another new product I purchased to try out are these Burt's Bees Facial Cleansing Towelettes. So this is with a cotton extract, and this is for sensitive skin. I wanted to get, they have other ones, but I picked sensitive skin because I break out easy. It removes dirt, oil, and makeup without rinsing. So the next thing I got is this Mrs. Meyers Clean Day Lavender Scent Dish Pods. I don't think I've tried this brand. I think the pods I have downstairs currently are Method, but this is just for 20 loads. So I want a bigger bag. I didn't realize how small the bag was. That's the problem with like shopping online and not checking the ounces, is you don't really like know. And so I guess I didn't pay attention to that. But anyway, it is made with plant-derived cleaners, natural minerals, natural essential oils, enzymes. It doesn't have chlorine, phosphates, formaldehyde, artificial colors, and phthalates. If I'm saying some of those things wrong, you guys might know what I mean. Alright, so last but not least for the Grove products, which I'm really excited for this, because who's not excited for Soy Candles. So, cough and laugh. So, I did get another Soy Candle. I've gotten a few of these, actually, especially during the season holidays. This is by the Grove brand, Soy Candle, Vanilla, and Sandalwood. I mostly got it for the Sandalwood. I don't really know if I smell much of that. It smells like vanilla all the way. Another thing too is I do get soy candles because soy candles, they don't bother my allergies, my sinuses, my head. So I definitely have them there. They are non-toxic candles, so I always get these. If you have any questions about Grove Collaborative or any other products I got, just go ahead and comment those down below. Also, if you've tried any of these new products I'm checking out, let me know in the comments what you think. I'm excited to give them a try. We got all kinds of stuff from Target, guys. All right, so the first thing I got so I can light up my candles is another electric lighter. And then I went ahead and just got Ava, one of these. Shanam actually picked one of these out. I wanted him to pick out a different brand and more natural brand. The Tom's brand, actually, which I've bought for Ava before, but he says Ava doesn't like that toothpaste, so I'm not going to force her into brushing her teeth with a toothpaste that she doesn't like the taste of. And then I just went ahead and got some Gillette Venus Sensitive razors. And then I'm excited for this one. I did purchase a Glade Candle, and the reason why I purchased this is because I noticed that Glade has a new collection. It's called Atmosphere Glade Collection, and it's a crafted soy candle. I'm very excited about that because I've always loved the smell of Glade candles when I like smell them like that, but once I like take them home and burn them for hours, sometimes they might bother some people in the house. They bother me and my mom. This is in the scent Sweet Pea, and it smells amazing. I even have like really bad allergies right now, as you can probably tell in my voice, but I can still smell it through my allergies. I went ahead and, well, me and Shannon picked this out. Well, my husband picked this out, and this is a razor here. So he is trying this razor out for the first time. It's called Vander Hagen Traditional Safety Razor. It looks really fancy, actually, and I think you just replace the heads. So if you guys have, if your husbands or anyone you know have tried this, let me know if you know anything about them in the comments. Okay, if you guys have just watched my toddler room organization video, I did mention that in Ava's little like 6-tier storage boxes or whatever they're called, her shelves, that I needed to get more of these. So yeah, I went back to Target. I picked up 4 more of these little storage bins to use in her shelves. Me and Shanam were back and forth with the colors. They had no white, and you guys know the current ones. For those of you that watched that video, if you haven't watched it, go check it out. I'll link it in the eye in the sky or down in the description box. So we were back and forth on the color. As you know, her current shelf, she has 2 of those storage bins. They're like a zigzag white and dark pink. They had a dark pink of these, and then they had this light pink, but I just felt like if we got another dark pink and that whole shelf was just so dark of pink, it'd just be too much. Like, she has a lot of different pinks in her room, and I want to kind of keep it more on the bright side than on like a dark side, if that makes sense. All right, so the next thing I got were 2 of these 7th generation disinfectant wipes. They kill 99.99% of germs botanically. I have used these before and I like them a lot, so I went ahead and just picked up these bottles. So the next thing we got were these coasters, and they are so heavy, but they are actually marble white coasters. I mean, they're so beautiful. So these we are going to be using on our coffee table because we drink a lot of tea at night. And so we did notice like one of our teacups one time like left a little foggy print on our distressed wood coffee table, and we just can't have that. Like, I want my furniture to last until I'm done with it. So we had to buy coasters, invest in coasters, and we wanted some that kind of match our style. And these were it. We found these at Target, and they're so pretty. My first concern was that they might drop and break because they're like heavy glass and stuff, but I feel like they're heavy. Like, Ava's not gonna mess with them, or what we'll do is we'll like keep them put up, and then when we go down to drink tea at night, then we'll put it on the table and we'll use it then. We probably won't just keep it on the table because they're heavy and they could break. So the next thing I got was a new drinking cup for Ava. It's really cute because you just push this button right here, and then that pops up like so. I really, really love it. And then it says like best friends right here, and then it has one of the Disney characters right here. So it's really cute and light, and then this is plastic. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for taking the time and watching my video. If you guys haven't seen my New Year's 2018 box swap video, I will have that here. You guys should go check that out. And also, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join my family here on YouTube. We have lots and lots of videos coming for this year, and I'm just so excited. So I love you guys, and give me a like if you like this video. That always helps out my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.